They got this, a two-stroke. When was the last time a two-stroke made a main event?
Now, if you wanted history, Jared Lesher just gave it to you in Atlanta. It has been 17 years since a two-stroke 250, mind you, has been in a 450 main final, and he did it this year. He did it in Atlanta with no major crashes, just on pure skill and speed. He put that bike in the main. Now, you have to say, dirtbikelover.com did a feature on this, whatever, of course, after, because as I am, this is news, and this bike is probably not one that you're going to go buy off of Facebook Marketplace, being the fact that it's pretty much a shitload of titanium and carbon fiber and upgrades to probably every single part of that bike from top to bottom, front to back. It probably doesn't really resemble the bike that it was when you bought it, or one that you're probably going to buy anywhere around you unless you're going to spend a lot of money on it. But it's pretty cool. Like, obviously you had last year with Stanky with the 125 racing the 250s, but to be up against the 450 guys and the amount of power that those bikes put out right now, to be this guy on a 252 stroke, yes, obviously two strokes are two strokes, but to do it in the main, do it on Atlanta of all tracks too, like with how big it is and kind of an outdoorsy built kind of track, it's pretty cool to see. And especially for, I'm going to say this in a nice way, a sort of unknown guy. You know, it wasn't like some big team took a 250 and put every $1 million part you could put on it and put the fast guy on it and raced it. No, this is somebody who, you know, was working his ass off on a different style bike and did it. But I think it's cool. In comments below, you tell me, would you like to see 250s racing again? Were you part of the generation where 250s were like the thing? Do you like the noise, the, you know, gas missing, the smoke, all that kind of stuff? Or are you like me, who kind of came into motorcycles and dirt bikes after it, so like four strokes are more normal for me? I don't know what you want to say, but in the comments below, tell me what you were. Did you like Atlanta? Were you rooting for Lesher to get in there, or whatever it is? Just make sure to comment down below. Like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it helps me very much doing that YouTube algorithm thing. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.